Do this daily to burn belly fat fast. The truth about belly fat and the power of doing this daily, do this every single day, and your belly fat won't stand a chance. You don't need a gym, you don't need supplements, and you don't even need to starve yourself. All you need is a few minutes of consistency, and trust me, your body will thank you for it. Most people think burning belly fat is all about running, starving, or doing hundreds of crunches. But here's the truth. Your body doesn't burn fat because you push harder. Your belly isn't your enemy. It's your body's message saying, hey, I need balance, I need movement, I need care. And in the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to give your body what it's asking for by doing one simple daily routine that reprograms your metabolism and melts stubborn belly fat like never before. Understanding belly fat, the hidden story behind your waistline. Belly fat isn't just about looks. It's actually one of the most dangerous types of fat because it hides deep inside your abdomen, wrapping around your organs. This is called visceral fat, and it's strongly linked to heart disease, diabetes, and hormonal imbalance. When your lifestyle is full of stress, poor sleep, or sugar-filled meals, your body produces a hormone called cortisol. The stress hormone, cortisol, tells your body, hold on to fat, especially around the stomach. That's why, even if you eat less, you may still have that stubborn belly. But when you move every day, even for 10 minutes, you send your body the opposite message. I'm safe. I'm active. I can let this fat go. That's how daily movement resets your hormones and activates your fat-burning mode. The daily activation formula: you only need 8 to 10 minutes daily. You can do it right when you wake up or in the evening before bed. The secret isn't intensity, it's consistency. Let's start simple. Standing knee to elbow twist, 1 minute. Lift your right knee and twist your left elbow toward it. Alternate sides. This move engages your obliques and activates your deep core muscles, the ones that actually tighten your waistline. Plank 2, down dog to 1 minute start in a plank. Then push your hips up toward the ceiling, a stretch. Then return to plank. This move strengthens your core, stretches your back, and improves blood flow, all crucial for fat burning. Arm circles with deep breathing to 1 minute, breathing deeply. Exhale slowly and circle your arms forward and back. This improves circulation, wakes up your metabolism, and reduces stress hormones. Why it works: belly fat melts when your metabolic system and hormones are in sync. This short routine wakes your muscles, increases oxygen, and stabilizes insulin, which means your body starts burning stored fat instead of storing it. You don't need fancy diets or fasting tricks. You just need to tell your body every morning, I'm ready. Let's burn. Morning ritual for a flat belly. Drink water right after you wake up. Do this 10-minute movement routine. Eat a protein-rich breakfast like eggs or Greek yogurt. Keep your posture upright throughout the day. It helps your core stay active. If you do this every day, your metabolism starts working for you. Most people wait for motivation to start, but champions know motivation comes after you start. So, don't wait, because tomorrow, your belly fat won't magically disappear. But if you start today, it will start shrinking. The fat-burning routine that actually works, you've activated your body. Now, let's turn it into a fat-burning furnace. This is the daily 8-minute sequence that targets your belly from all angles. No crunches, no equipment, just your body weight and determination. Let's begin. The routine. 6 simple moves. Each move will last about 1 minute. Repeat the full set twice if you can. Standing cross, crunch 1-minute hands behind your head. Bring your elbow to opposite knee, exhaling each time. This targets your side abs and waistline. Feel the twist. That's your obliques burning fat. Squat plus reach, twist. 1-minute squat, down slowly. Then, twist your torso as you rise and reach overhead. This builds your glutes and legs while tightening your core. The perfect fat-burning combo. Side step punches. 1-minute step, side to side, punching across your body. This boosts your heart rate while engaging your core. A mini cardio blast without jumping. Slow mountain climbers, 1 minute. Get into plank position. Pull your knees toward your chest slowly and controlled. The slower you go, the more your abs engage. Flutter kicks. 1 minute. Lie flat, hands under your hips, and flutter your legs just off the floor. This isolates your lower abs, the hardest area to target. Standing torso rotations. 1 minute. Stand tall, twist side to side with control. Keep your core tight. Breathe out each twist. The science of fat loss. This routine works because it targets multiple muscle groups at once. That means your body burns more calories even after your workout ends, something called the afterburn effect, or EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. The key is controlled intensity. Not just moving, telling your metabolism to stay awake all day long. If you can't do all 6 moves at once, start with 3. What matters is that you never skip a day. Even 5 minutes daily builds momentum, and momentum changes everything. When you move every day, your body starts to expect it. Your hunger hormones balance out. Your cravings drop. You sleep better. And the best part, you'll notice your belly area getting tighter week by week. There's no magic pill. There's no shortcut. But there is a formula, and it's written in your consistency. You've got two choices. Stay stuck in old habits, or start moving toward the body you deserve. 10 minutes a day, that's all it takes. Reset, recover, and keep the fat off. You've done the hard part. Now, it's time to recover smart. Because fat loss doesn't happen while you work out. It happens after. This final phase is about calming your system, restoring your hormones, and keeping your body in a permanent fat-burning state. The cool down, 5 minutes. Deep breathing plank to 1 minute. Get into a plank. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. This resets your nervous system and lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that causes belly fat. Seated forward, fold to 1 minute. Sit tall, legs straight. Reach for your toes. Feel your back and hamstrings stretch. This improves digestion and relieves tension. Seated spinal twist to 1 minute. Sit up, twist gently to the right. Hold, then switch sides. This aids your liver, the organ responsible for fat processing and detox. Belly massage, breathing, 2 minutes. Place both hands on your stomach. Breathe deeply and let your belly rise and fall. This increases circulation and improves your gut-brain connection, essential for better metabolism. Lifestyle rules for a lean body. Drink water before meals. It controls appetite and boosts metabolism. Avoid late-night sugar or snacks. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Your body repairs muscles and burns fat while you rest. Walk after eating. Just 10 minutes lowers blood sugar and helps digestion. Stretch every night. It improves blood flow and reduces stress hormones. Your belly fat didn't appear in 1 week, and it won't disappear in 1 week either. But if you do this routine every single day, you'll start feeling lighter, stronger, and more confident within days. You'll notice your clothes fitting differently, your posture improving, and your energy lasting longer. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Because every rep you do, every drop of sweat, every deep breath you take, it's all proof that you re-becoming the strongest version of yourself. So take control. Start today. Your transformation doesn't begin next Monday. It begins now. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because I'm dropping new routines every week that'll keep your body strong and your belly flat. Do this daily, believe in yourself, and remember, you're not just burning fat. You're building a new you.